Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable audio recording on your IMOU Cell 2 security camera. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our IMOU Live app where we have the camera connected to, and so we're going to have to find our camera. It should look something like this. We're going to click on the two dots under the camera and click on device details, and we're going to scroll down until we find the audio recording option. So it looks something like this, and once you click on the slider, it should be enabled or disabled. And so right now I'm disabling it, and all of the features, all of the audio recording, all of the audio features will be disabled. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.